Look, you shouldn't have to care about fashion as a man, but you should care about what your clothes says about you. You need to understand that whether you care or not, whether you care about how you look or not, people are making judgments of you depending on how you dress. So today, boys, I'm going to show you how you should dress if you just don't care about fashion and you want to keep it as simple as possible. Number one, you do have to understand that it does matter. Depending on what you wear, it tells the other person how much effort you're putting in wanting to be in that situation. How apt are you for whatever task you're trying to take on, whether it be applying for a new job or a new position or a raise. It also has a halo effect attached to it, which we talked about previously, where when you dress well, it increases your attractiveness. And then when you look more attractive, every other trait about you is judged through that attractive lens, and therefore you're seen as better across the board. Dressing better matters. But I'm going to keep it simple. Number two, stick to your foundational pieces. Look, when it comes to style, you do not have to wear a suit every day. You don't have to wear designer. You don't have to wear the most expensive stuff. Keep it foundational. And for a man, the bar is set so low. Men barely try so much that you just have to wear a basic t-shirt and you got it. If that stuff fits good, if the quality is great, if it doesn't look childish, it doesn't have any sort of stamping or weird logos, you're good. That's literally all you need. That's what we do with Essentials. See, with Essentials, our company, I focus on basics where I know I got you covered, where I know you're gonna look good regardless of whether you're a guy that's into fashion or a guy that just doesn't care and want to stick with the easiest route possible. See, our bamboo t-shirts do just that. They fit so good, they make any dude look more athletic. They're also made with a bamboo cotton blend that feels better, guaranteed, than any other t-shirt you've tried. And I did this offer before, so I wanna try it again. I'm gonna let you choose 7 t-shirts from Essentials. I'm going to have a special link down below. This is going to only last for the next 24 hours, and you're going to get 40% off that bundle. Now, here's the crazy part. We have a lot of different tees, different fits, different styles, different aesthetics, different materials. We have our tencels, which are made from wood eucalyptus trees. We have our Henleys, which is made from an aloe vera and cotton blend. We have our bamboo tees, which are our best-selling ones. We have our hemp cotton tees, which is made from a hemp and a cotton blend. So we have a wide range of styles and different colors. I want you to have a solid t-shirt for every day of the week. So if you guys click the link down below and check out our Essentials page, this special offer, you can add 7 shirts to your cart, and then once you check out, you're gonna get 40% off. That way you're covered with your foundationals. Now that's only gonna last for the next 24 hours, so if you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. But this takes me to number 3, ignore the trends. Look, trends are kind of pointless if you're a guy that doesn't care about style, let alone are you gonna be judging runways. Nobody dresses like that in the real world. When you see trends that these designer houses are putting out, they're pretty much impractical, and you really have to be in deep into style so you can start interpreting these trends and seeing how they apply to yourself. But in reality, you don't even have to worry about them. You don't have to waste your money on them. You don't have to waste your time on them. Number 4, you only need 4 pants. You need a pair of chinos, you need a pair of jeans, you need a pair of sweats, and then you need a pair of trousers. That's literally it. You have those 4 pants combined with your t-shirt bundle. You can literally dress up, down, casual, relaxed. You got pretty much every aesthetic on lock. Now, what I do recommend is don't go for any trendy fit. Don't go for the loose cut. Don't go for skinny cut. Stick to a nice fitted cut that's classic, timeless, because again, don't worry about the trends. You want to buy something that gives you ultimate versatility and it's not going to die out. Number 5, you only need 3 shoes. You need a pair of sneakers, you need a pair of leather shoes, whether it be loafers or lace-ups, and then you need a pair of boots. Those 3 shoes literally combine with every single piece of pants that I just discussed and of shirts that I just discussed. What I'm trying to show you here is that with about 10 to 12 pieces, you can build an entire wardrobe as a man and have it covered. Literally almost any situation that you're gonna dress or pull up to, you'll be covered, and not only covered, it'll be simple and you'll dress better than most dudes, even though you don't even care about style. And this rolls me to my last tip, keep it neutral. As a man, you have to understand that combining colors, it's gonna take a long time. And it's very easy to screw it up. Finding colors that suit your skin tone, yeah, it matters. Yeah, it'll help your skin tone color. But again, it's a lot of work and it reduces the versatility of your wardrobe. If you buy all the pieces that I just talked about in this video and keep all those colors in a neutral color palette, you can mix and match blindly. Like you could be half asleep Pick out 3 pieces, a shirt, a pair of pants, and a pair of shoes out of the combo I just talked about, and I promise you, you will look great that day. That is the benefit of sticking to neutrals and avoiding colors. You do these 6 steps, you'll look good even if you don't care about style.